Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering parts so you can build without stopping. Choose black, white, and an accent color now. Start with a 6x8 base plate or stacked 2x4 bricks to set weight and balance. Once done, create a 2-layer pedestal. This raises the body and prevents tipping. Make sure to alternate bricks for strength, stagger seams, because that distributes stress and keeps the penguin sturdy while you add details. You now build the torso using alternating plates and bricks to taper toward the head. This creates a natural penguin silhouette. Fit slopes on the front for the chest. White plates contrast against black sides to define shape. Once the torso is solid, attach the head with a 1x2 jumper brick so it can pivot slightly. Make sure to secure wings with clips or hinge plates. They should sit flush yet movable, because subtle angles convey posture and character. You finish by adding facial details. 2 1x1 round studs for eyes and a small 1x2 wedge for the beak, positioned slightly forward to create depth. Attach feet with 1x2 plates under the base and cover exposed studs with flat tiles for a clean look. Once complete, inspect joints and compact any loose bricks. If something feels wobbly, insert a 1x1 jumper or shift a stud to increase friction. This one trick often fixes balance without redesigning the model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.